Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and sometimes overlooked features in Power BI DAX, variables. If you've ever found yourself repeating the same expression over and over in your DAX formulas, or wondered how you can speed up your calculations and make your code much easier to read, then this video is exactly what you need. By the end, you'll understand not just what variables are, but also why they're such a game changer for anyone working with DAX in Power BI. Let's get started. So what exactly are variables in DAX? If you've used Excel or done any programming before, you might already have a sense of how variables work. They let you store a value, like a number or a text string, and give it a name that you can reference throughout your formula. In DAX, variables do pretty much the same thing. You create a variable by using the keyword var, and then you assign it an expression, which can be a calculation, a measure, or even something more complex. Think of it like putting a value into a labeled box. You can call on that box as many times as you want, and you'll always get exactly the value you expect. Now, after you've defined all the variables you need, you'll use the return statement to give Power BI the final value that you actually want your measure or calculated column to output. You can reference any of the variables you set in the return line. So the basic structure looks like this. You write var, give your variable a name, set it equal to your expression, and finally, wrap it all up with return and your final calculation. Here, what that looks like in practice. Measure equals var sales total equals sum sales amount. var discounted equals sales total 0.9. Return discounted. Notice how in just a few lines you've calculated a total and then reused that value for a discounted calculation. No need to repeat the same sum over and over. You might be asking, why bother with variables? Can't I just write out the formula directly? Great question. There are some really important benefits to using variables in your DAX code. First, clarity. Using variables makes your code much shorter, neater, and structured, especially for longer formulas. You can give your variables meaningful names, and that makes it so much easier to come back later and understand what each piece is doing. Imagine trying to read a long paragraph with no punctuation. Using variables is like breaking up your ideas into clear, easy-to-read sentences. Second, performance. When you use a variable in DAX, Power BI calculates that value once and reuses it everywhere you refer to it, instead of recalculating the same thing multiple times. This not only makes your reports run faster, but also reduces the risk of inconsistent results from repeated calculations of dynamic data. And finally, debugging. Variables let you build your formulas step by step, checking each one as you go. If something isn't working as expected, you can test a single variable to see how it behaves. It's almost like building with Lego. You connect each piece, check the fit, and keep going until your model is done. And don't worry if this feels a bit new or different. Once you practice it a couple of times, you'll find that variables quickly become second nature in your DAX toolbox. Alright, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on variables in Power BI DAX. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another DAX topic you'd like to see covered next. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical Power BI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.